for some more multiple choice practice. Went to section 5 of Moodle, found test 4 and final multiple choice practice. Got some old stuff here. pKa stuff. What is the closest value of pKeq? If you don't recognize this as HClO4, then there will be a little trouble, right? pKa equals -5. That's one of our strong acids. This is an oxonium. pKa is -3. pKeq, -5 minus -3. Careful. That's -2. And there's our answer. Then we got a KEQ question with one of our new pKa's. pKa of a thiol, 10. pKa of a normal alcohol, 17. pKeq, 17 minus 10. KEQ is 10 to the -7. This equilibrium stays to the left, doesn't it? And then another acid-base problem. Usmanic acid, and we're starting with 2 moles of potassium usmanate. Usmanic acid was named after a student, in case you're curious. Miss Usman, yeah. Whenever this question was created. And it says we're starting with US3-, and we're reacting it with HCl. And our first ice, we're starting with 2 moles and 3.25. You're making HUS2-, and Cl-, which I'm not going to mention again because it's not relevant. Starting with zeros over there. Limiting reagent has to be used up. You're out of usmanate. You're not out of HCl, which means you're not out of this question until you are. And you made 2 of that. So ice number 2, we'll squeeze it in right here. HUS2- plus HCl, 1.25. HCl is limiting. You're done after this one. You're out of HCl. You made 0.7, well, you have 0.75 remaining HUS2-, and you made H2US-. You had 0. You gained 1.25. You're at 1.25. 25. And why is this the relevant pKa? 3.7. It's because that's the second one, and this one here would be for H3 usmanate, H3US, the strongest one, H2, H1. So our answers are now down to 3 answers, these 3, and I like the 7.3 better than the 7.4 because there's more acid than base. Oh, I had the wrong acid. It's correctly pointed out by a student. I said I'm only concerned about 3.7, and then I started talking about 7.3. I don't know why. More acid. Therefore, 3.7. Here I go again. 3.7, but acid brings pH down. So you pick the answer that's a little below 3.7, which is 3.6, and you're done. And that's a good place to stop because that's a video with acid base only. We'll pick up on the other side with a short video on chirality. And this is figuring out which molecules are the same. We'll come back to that one.
Can we ask